All right, y'all. Nature cereal. This recipe literally went viral on TikTok, so here I am uploading the full recipe on YouTube for you. We'll start out by cutting some strawberries. You want to make sure you cut off that green part. You don't need that. And to be quite honest, I don't understand why I'm not using my mandolin here because I actually have one. I don't know why I keep using the knife, but yeah, here you go. Just cut up your strawberry into pieces like this, or to whatever piece you actually feel desirable for you. So now just get a bowl and throw your strawberries in there. I used the whole package of blackberries, but you could use whatever other fruit you want. And I threw in there about a cup of the pomegranate seeds. And I actually used pink coconut water than regular coconut water. It just means it's organic and it's released some polyphenol into the water. So I use that in there. Now this is optional. You don't have to put ice cubes, but I put ice cubes in it. And just mix it up. Going for that bite, and when I tell you this thing tastes amazing, it really tastes amazing. It's not just hype. This thing is bomb. It's a healthy snack. It's good for your digestive tract, and it's actually good for energy. I actually let my sister try some because it was that good. And this is us just grabbing from the same bowl because we couldn't get enough of it. This thing is really healthy and bomb. So here you guys, here you go. Don't forget to comment to see what other item you want to see get done.